Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious puff puff ever. This puff puff recipe is so good and super quick. So we'll start off by layering our ingredients. We'll need 1 tablespoon of yeast, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, some cardamom, 3/4 cup of water, and 1 cup of sugar. Then we'll start by adding some flour onto the bowl, and then we'll mix in all the other ingredients. Once this is done, then we're going to use a whisk to mix everything together until it's ready for us to now add in our water. The water should be room temperature, and once you start mixing, that's how the solution should be looking. Very pooly, very thick, and as thick as you make it, the best puff puff comes out of this. So we're going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of cardamom, and then we're gonna mix it together again into the solution until it's disappeared. Then we're gonna cover the mixture for about 1 hour to 2 hours, and this is how it should be looking once it's inflated and the yeast has bloomed. So we're going to be putting some oil onto a pan, and once that's done, we're gonna heat it up for a while. We'll need a separate cup and a spoon as so for pulling out our dough and putting it onto the pan. So once that's done, we are going to be putting the spoon back into the cup of oil and then scooping up more of the mixture. Then this is how they should be looking as they have floated onto the oil, and now I'm turning them so as to brown them properly on both sides. Once it's ready, this is how it should be looking. So they're actually good to go, and I will take them out, and that's it. Super quick, and you have your quick breakfast recipe. Puff puff, so delicious. I mean, these are the best. You should try them. You will enjoy them. You will never look back. Thank you for staying tuned. Please subscribe to this channel if you really enjoyed this video. For now, goodbye.